Oh hey, welcome to AAmna's kitchen. This is Sonu and today we're gonna make Tang ice lolly. So let's just begin. Let's see, it's pretty much simple. You'll need about 2 glasses of normal tap water and you'll need 8 teaspoons of sugar. You'll need flavor powder. I have Tang and it's about 50 grams. And you'll need ice cream molds, and that's all. Let's just start it. Okay, so let's just start it. Let's just make the sugar first, and be careful not to use chill water. Try to use tap water, or if you can have it, use hot water, because sugar won't dissolve in chill water. And for your kind knowledge, hot water freezes more quickly than chill water, but I was only able to obtain normal tap water, and that's too good. Stir it quite well. Okay, and let's just stir the Tang to it. For the mixing, you should need a nice big spoon so you can mix it real well. Just add it. Now if you want to drink the Tang in its liquid form, not put all of the Tang in just 2 glasses of water. This Tang is for 4 glasses of water or 1 liter of water. And for the ice creams, we need some more in it. So we're adding out this more. Let's just stir it really well. Okay, so our Tang is ready, and let's just put it in the molds. Let's just mold the cups. You can get these molds from any of the nearby shops or your store, and let's just pour it carefully into molds. Now let's just place the sticks on it. You have to be careful not to. And well, we have plenty of Tang left off, so I'll just drink it. Let's just drink this. Oh, so good. From this I can tell these ice creams, well, they're really so good. Okay, now that was really yummy, and let's just put this in the freezer. Let's put this in. Open up the freezer and let's just put them in the, they can't get it down here. Let's just close the freezer door. Alright, now they will take about 3 to 4 hours to get ready. Until then, what we'll do, we'll sleep. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, and it's been about 5 hours, and so let's just take our ice creams. Here we go. Looks pretty good. Let's just try to pull out one. Well, it's loading. And there you go. Looks like pretty much an ice cream. Let's just taste it. It's really delicious. It's so chilling. It's really so much chilling. I can't even bite this right now. I can only lick this. You should also try it. And if you like it, subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. I actually tried it.